As Gift Nifty rises as Wall Street surges and Fed rate cut in September looks likely. Key events: FOMC meeting, US NFP, and Q1 results. Gift Nifty is indicating that it is likely to be a risk-on day for the benchmark Nifty thanks to an exploding Wall Street in Friday's trade. Boosting market sentiment was an encouraging reading on US PCE inflation, which hit just ahead of this week's Fed meeting. The Personal Consumption and Expenditures (PCE) price index rose 0.3% from May to June. The annual increase slowed to 2.5% from 2.6% the month prior. The futures traders are pricing in an 88% chance the Fed will cut rates by a quarter percentage point in September. Our call of the day suggests Nifty shall aim psychological 25,000 milestone as Fed's September rate cut seen as done deal. The key catalysts this week. 1. The FOMC meeting will conclude on 31st July. 2. Friday's US NFP. 3. Q1 results to trickle in today, Monday, 29th July, ACC, Beal, Colpal, HPCL, Indian Bank, Pfizer. Tuesday, 30th July, Dixon, Exide, Granules, Indus Tower, IOC, Navin Fluoro, Tata Consumer, Torrent Power. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2546 crores while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2774 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating higher high-low play. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX hovers at 12.24 levels. Nifty PCR, 29 August, is at 1.41 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 0.86. Nifty outlook, positive session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4835. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,651 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,100 mark. Range for the day is between 24650 and 25100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51-96. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 50,436 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,351 mark. Range for the day: Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,900 and 51900. Bias for the day is positive. Nifty made fresh record closing high in Friday's trade. Interestingly, risk-on sentiments prevailed as investors looked beyond the capital gains tax and, most importantly, despite FIIs turning net sellers in the week to the tune of Rs 4,721 crores. The optimism at Dalal Street was a total rout for Nifty bears, and the massive breakout on the upside is proof that bulls are destined to keep crushing the perma bears. The biggest positive takeaway is that investors look past the hike in tax on long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains along with an increase in the securities transaction tax on derivatives.